Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and for more yoga and wellness content, please like and subscribe. Today I'll be diving into the most powerful part of yoga, which is the breath. In yoga we refer to it as your pranayama, and even as a beginner, learning to breathe with your awareness can completely transform your practice and even your daily life. So, in this video, I'll explain why breath is so important, and I'll even take you through 3 simple techniques that you'll be able to practice in your own home. So first, why does your breath matter? Usually when we think of yoga, you might be thinking of the poses and the movement, but really your pranayama, your breath, is the foundation of your yoga practice. Your breath helps to connect your body and your mind together. In yoga, we refer to it as a bridge. Your breath is your bridge, meaning that it can influence how you feel, both physically and mentally, when you're able to control it. And the best part about this is that you can carry your breath with you everywhere you go.
Let's start with a simple but powerful breath called 3-part breath. Begin by sitting comfortably, or you can lie on your back. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Inhale first into your belly, then expand into your ribs, and finally up into your chest. Exhale in reverse, your chest, ribs, and belly. Let's do a few rounds together. Take a deep inhale from your belly into your ribs, into your chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. One more time. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. This breath brings awareness to your full lung capacity and is wonderful for calming and for grounding. Next is Ujjayi Breath. Sometimes this is called the ocean breath because of the sound that it makes. So this breath is great when you need to focus during movement or even calming an anxious mind. So to do this, you're going to inhale deeply through your nose, and as you exhale, slightly constrict the back of your throat, creating this gentle whispering sound, almost like the ocean waves. And you just continue breathing in and out of your nose with that same sound. So let's try a few breaths together. Take a deep inhale through your nose. And as you exhale, create that gentle sound like the ocean. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Notice how this breath naturally lengthens and it smooths out each inhale and each exhale. And finally, let's practice alternate nostril breathing. This breath helps to balance your energy and clears your mind. Begin by sitting tall, relaxing your shoulders. Using your right peace fingers, place them in the space in between your eyebrows. Using your right thumb, close your right nostril. Inhale slowly through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger, releasing your right nostril and exhaling fully through the right. Inhale through the right, close it, and exhale through your left. That's one full round. Let's do a couple together. Inhale through your left side, close it, and exhale through your right. Inhale through your right, close it, and exhale through your left. Inhale through your left, close it, exhale through your right. Inhale through your right, close it, exhale through your left. One more time. Inhale through your left, close it, exhale through your right. Inhale through your right, close it, exhale through your left. This practice is especially good before meditation, before sleep, or any time you need some clarity.
So those are the 3 simple pranayama techniques that you can start using today. We did the 3-part breath, Ujjayi breath, and alternate nostril breathing. And remember, even just taking 3 or 5 minutes out of your day for conscious breathing can help shift how you feel. And with practice, you'll notice you're feeling more calm and focused, and even more balanced both on and off of your yoga mat. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe and share it with a friend who could use a little bit more calm in their day. And also let me know in the comments which breath practice felt the most helpful for you.